My dear students and all my dear viewers, actually this particular video is from grammar section and this is the topic determiners. This is the first chapter of your book, that is Everyday English Grammar and Composition, and particularly in this chapter we will go through determiners. So firstly we have to explain here that what are the determiners. Means determiners are the words that specify or determine the reference of nouns and noun phrases. Means determiners are those words which specify in the to determine the reference of either noun or any noun phrases. For example, we say that several people. So several is determiner and people is the noun here. So several people. So items used in almost every sentence like articles, possessive, demonstrative are all determiners. Another example we may give, the red box has all my important papers. So here the red box, and just before the red box there is the. So the is determiner. Several people, just before people there is a word several. So several is determiner. So all types of articles, either it is a, an and the, are determiners. Apart from these a, an and the, we can see different types of determiners are also there, and they may be demonstrative or possessive. In the demonstrative determiners, we see this, that, these, those. This, that, these, those. So particularly here we are referring three types of determiners. First we have to see what is the meaning of determiner. Determiners are those words which determine the reference of either noun or noun phrase. And it is of mainly three types. First one is articles. For this we have already gone in the previous class. We have already learned the articles, and detailed description has been given in my previous two videos about articles. So I am not going to give any particular reference about articles. So but just I say a, an and the. The second type of determiners are demonstrative determiners, that are this, that, these and those. These are the determiners. Apart from that, the third type is possessive determiner. So what is the possessive determiner? My, your, his, her, its, ours, their. These are the possessive determiners. So three types of determiners are there. Now we have to use these sentences. Actually in the next page, in page number 2, you have been given some exercises. Actually in exercise number this one, A, exercise A, I am going to say the answer of this question. Firstly, your question is, I waited for dash friend. Answer will be, I waited for my friend. Number 2, new hat that Nabya bought is quite old. Answer will be the new hat. Third question is, we had a great time when we visited dash sister. So we had a great time when we visited our sister. Our is here the possessive adjective, possessive determiners. In second sentence, the we have used, that is the article, and in first, I waited for my friend. My friend is also possessive determiners. Number 4, can you buy me dash cycle, dad? What will be the answer? Can you buy me a cycle? This is article. Number 5, do you remember dash time we went to Goa? Do you remember the time? Answer will be, do you remember the time? Here the is what determiner? Articles. Number 6, please put dash files in dash big drawer. So what will the answer? Please put these files. This is demonstrative determiner. These files in the big drawer. The is article. So please put these files in the big drawer. Number 7, leave dash assignments on dash desk, the professor said to the class. So, what will be the answer? Leave these assignments or leave your assignment may also be the answer. Here, two options may be possible. Leave these assignments or leave your assignments on my desk. So, here, these is possessive determiner, or if you use your, that is called your may be possessive, these may be demonstrative and your may be possessive. On my desk. My desk means it is possessive determiners. In question number 8, in dash time, there were no TVs or computers. In dash days, life was so much better. In our time, answer will be in our time, there were no TV or computer. In those days, life was so much better. Question number 9. Who is dash new girl in dash class? So what will be the answer? Who is dash? Who is the new girl? Who is the new girl in this class? In the new girl, the is here article, and this class, this is demonstrative determiners. Number 10 is, when will you return dash English workbook? So you may give the answer, when will you return my English workbook? Answer will be my. My is what determiners? Possessive determiners. Many of dash houses will be sold by the end of this month. Answer will be many of these houses. Answer will be many of these houses will be sold by the end of this month. Here these words have been used here, and these is demonstrative determiners. So how we are using, we have to understand that on the basis of sense of that particular sentence, we have to use the determiner. Number 12 is, take dash plastic bottle and dash glass jar. Fill dash the bottle with ink and dash jar with water. So many blanks are there in particular sentence. So what will be the answer? Take a plastic bottle and a glass jar. Take a plastic bottle. So in both the gaps you can fill up a. Fill the bottle. Fill the bottle, because the is used for referring a particular thing. That's why the. Fill the bottle with ink and the jar with water. So in the last two gaps there will be the, and first two gaps there will be a. All are articles. Now number 13. Dash neighbors sometimes let dash cattle into dash field. Here also three gaps are there. So what will be the answer? My neighbors sometimes let the cattle into my field. My neighbors sometimes let the cattle into my field. Instead of my, in the first gap, if anybody writes your neighbors, so it may be the right answer. Your neighbor sometimes let the cattle into my field may be the answer, but most appropriate is my. That's why I am giving the answer here, my. So my neighbor sometimes let the cattle into my field. Now number 14. So in 14 number, Mr. Reddy dash great teacher, full stop, everyone loves dash class. Mr. Reddy is a great teacher. Mr. Reddy is a great teacher. Full stop. Everyone loves his class. So his here used. His is possessive determiner and a is article. In this way we are coming now number 15. Number 15. Remove dash footwear before you enter dash room, said dash monk. So what is the answer? Remove your footwear before you enter this room. Remove your, so in first gap you will fill your, in second gap you will fill this. Said the monk. So third one is the monk. So we have already completed the 15th example of 15 sentences what has been given in the first assignment. So we have seen here, particularly in this class, that what is the meaning of determiner, what types of determiners are there, and how can we use those determiners. So on the basis of that we will use it. In the next class we will also describe different other types of determiners also. Suppose determiners of quantity or quantifiers, determiners of numbers. So many determiners are there, but today we have seen three determiners, that is article, demonstrative determiners, and possessive determiners, and we have also seen the uses of those determiners. So in the next class we will discuss about the next part. Okay, thank you.